What's happening, friends? We are back in the kitchen and I am making another simple meal for your dinner ideas. This is some sauteed potatoes and also some chicken breast. Both of these are being sauteed, so it's a little bit healthier, but you know, we're still using some butter and we're also using some olive oil. But let's get started. So to cook the potatoes, I'm using red potatoes and I have the ingredients list here as well as on my website at plussizeinchicago.com. So you're going to cook these potatoes inside of some olive oil and butter, and you're going to saute that for about 15 minutes. While that's happening, I am sauteing these mushrooms. I also have some red bell pepper as well as some green onions that I'm going to be sauteing. You can use whatever vegetable combination that you like, you know, just something with some flavor as well as some color. So after those are finished cooking for about maybe 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to set that to the side, you know, add it to a bowl. Next, in that same pan, I'm adding some butter as well as some olive oil, and I'm sauteing these chicken breasts. I have the ingredients list there. Basically, it's thyme, seasoning, salt, paprika, black pepper, and chili powder. I am going to saute these chicken breasts for about 8 minutes on each side. They are thick, so depending on the thickness of your chicken breast, that's what you need to determine on how to cook them. Going back to the potatoes, so it's been about 15 minutes and I'm adding like 2 handfuls of baby spinach that I've rinsed off, and I'm going to let that simmer for another 5 minutes before adding on some garlic butter. So I get this garlic butter from Sam's Club, but you know, any like brand name garlic butter you can add to that. After that butter has melted, I'm adding in some Parmesan cheese and topping it off with some crushed red pepper flakes just for some enhanced flavor. And that's a nice quick side dish for you to use as an alternative. Going back to the chicken breast, I am adding the veggies on top, and that really much completes this part of the meal. So yeah, so you have a nice side dish as well as an entree, and it's quick and simple. You're in and out of the kitchen, no more than 45 minutes tops. I really hope this meal gives you a little inspiration for your next family dinner or weeknight meal. I'll see you next time. So friends, I hope you like what I cooked in the kitchen today. If you are a follower of any of my accounts, thank you so much for coming back. If you're watching this on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, shout out to everyone who subscribed to my channel or you're following me on those social media platforms. If you are new here, my name is Angela and this is my account Plus Size in Chicago, where I make a lot of easy to cook comfort food meals. You'll also see me reviewing different restaurants in the greater Chicagoland area, or maybe showing you some places I ate while on vacation. Be sure to subscribe or follow me. Also leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time.